In front of me is Xiaomi 14T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Google. Now tap on All Services. Scroll down to access Autofill with Google and choose Google Password Manager. Now tap on one of your passwords that you wish to edit, enter your screen lock and tap on Edit button to make your changes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!